Evening guys, so earlier we have discussed the formula in our short video, what the formulas in that you used here. Okay, so now starting the exercise 11.3. The question number 1 is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? Now you can clearly see that these are the two boxes. This is cuboidal box and this is a cubical box, because this is a cube because all the sides are equal. So in this question, 60 centimeter, this is called the length, 40 centimeter is the breadth, and 50 centimeter is the height of this cuboidal box, and this 50 centimeter is the side of cubical box. Now we will calculate the surface area of this box and this box. Then we will compare which one is greater. So now length 60, breadth 40 and height is 50 centimeter. We know the total surface area of a cuboidal box is 2 L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Putting the values as 60 into 40, 40 into 50 and 50 into 60. We'll get 6 4 ja 24, 2400, 2000 and 3000. After adding and multiplying by 2, you will get this as an answer. Now side of a cubical box, because the second box is cubical, is 50 centimeter, and we know the total surface area of cubical box is 6 into side square. 6 side is 50, so 50 multiplied by 50 will give you 15,000. Now you can clearly see that this cuboidal box surface area and the cubical surface box surface area, 15,000 is greater than 14,800. This means the cuboidal box A required the less amount of material to make. Now, coming to the next question, that is question number 2. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Means there is a suitcase whose length is 80, breadth is 48 and height is 24. Is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of with 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? टैरपोलिन क्या होती है? टैरपोलिन वो एक जो रेनी सीजन में बरसात में पन्नी बिछाते हैं, पन्नी डालते हैं शॉप्स के आगे, वो वही होती है, उसे टैरपोलिन कहते हैं. ठीक, तो फर्स्टली वी विल कैलकुलेट द surface area of a suitcase. Then we will multiply that surface area by 100 to get the surface area of the 100 suitcase. You know that कि surface area जो उसका होगा वो इसके टैरपोलिन के एरिया के इक्वल होगा, क्योंकि ये टैरपोलिन ही कवर कर रही है 100 सूटकेस को. ठीक, नाउ लेंथ ऑफ द सूटकेस 80, breadth is 48 and height is 24. So in the formula 2 LBBHHL, now 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Now after multiplication you will get 3840, 1152, 1920. Adding you will get 6912. After multiplying 2 you will get this answer. This is the total surface area of the first A1 suitcase. Now the total surface area of 100 suitcase, we will just multiply this area by 100. Now total surface area of 100 suitcase will be equal to the area of tarpaulin, because we are covering the 100 suitcase with tarpaulin. So now tarpaulin is in the form of rectangle, so area will be length into breadth. As width means breadth is given 96, so we will divide it 96. 14400 centimeter is the length. Now by dividing 100, because this is in centimeter, you will divide it by 100 to get the answer in meter. So we will get 144 meter tarpaulin required. Now in question number 3, find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter. हमें साइड लानी है क्यूब की जिसका सरफेस एरिया 600 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. Surface area of cube is equal to 6a square, where a is the side of cube. Now given 600 is the surface area, I am putting this value. Now dividing it, you will get 100. A will be square root of 100. Now 10 into 10 is 100, pair is 10. So side of a cube is 10 centimeter. Now in question number 4, Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter and 1.5 meter. This is length, breadth and height of a cabinet. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? अब जो रुखसार है वो ये इस कैबिनेट को पेंट कर रही है लेकिन उसका बॉटम पेंट नहीं कर रही है, तो जो टोटल सरफेस एरिया होगा वो एरिया ऑफ द फोर साइड एंड एरिया ऑफ द टॉप होगा। तो इसे कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? सरफेस एरिया टू बी पेंटेड, तो नीचे का जो एरिया होता है वो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ होता है। टोटल सरफेस एरिया क्या होता है? 2 LB BH HL। तो BH और HL ये दोनों साइड तो 2 टाइम्स ले रहे हैं, लेकिन जो LB है उसमें सिर्फ हम टॉप का एरिया ले रहे हैं, तो L इंटू बी हो जाए। L इज गिवन 1, B इज 2 मीटर एंड H इज 1.5 मीटर। पुटिंग द वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला and after solving you will get this 11 meter square. So 11 meter square will be the surface area that has to be painted. Now question number 5. Daniel is painted the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter, 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of the area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room? डेनियल जो है वो एक रूम को पेंट कर रहे हैं जिसमें वो 4 वॉल्स को पेंट कर रहा है और सीलिंग मतलब छत को पेंट कर रहा है। लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट इज गिवन। So firstly we will calculate the surface area that is going to be painted. Now in question number 5 there is a cuboidal box. So length is 15, breadth is 10 and height is 7. So total surface area of cuboidal hall that is to be painted is 2BH into plus HL plus L into B, because this floor is not painted. That's why I am taking the area of the roof only, and this is the area of 4 walls. Now putting the values, B is 10, 10 into 7 plus 7 into 15 plus 15 into 10. 10 7 is 70, 7 15 is 105 and 15 10 is 150. After adding you will get 500 meter square. So the area to be painted is 500 meter square. Okay. Now the question number 6 is, in question number 5 there is one term that ki one can paint 100 meter square area, so how many cans needed? So we have found the area of the wall, that a hall that is to be painted. Now area to be painted is 15. Number of cans is area to be painted divided by area covered by one can. The area is total area 500 and the area covered by one can is 100. Now after dividing you will get 5. So she needs 5 cans to paint the hall. Okay. Now in question number 6, describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? तो ये these are the boxes. अब हमें बताना है ये two figures जो हैं वो like क्यों हैं और unlike क्यों हैं, मतलब different क्यों। तो two figures are like as their height is same. दोनों सबकी height देखो same है, 7 सेंटीमीटर 7 सेंटीमीटर। और ये दोनों different क्यों हैं? क्योंकि एक सिलेंडर है और दूसरा क्यूब है, और सिलेंडर हैज 2 सर्कुलर फेसेस while क्यूब हैज 6 फेसेस। ठीक, नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट द लेटरल सरफेस एरिया। सो आई हैव रिटन हियर कि हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट एंड हाउ दे आर अलाइक। सो लेटरल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ ए सिलेंडर इज 2 pi RH. Now 2 into pi 22/7. R is 7/2. Why? Because the diameter here is given 7. So R is the half of the diameter. That's why I have written 7/2. D is equal to 7. So R is equal to 7/2. 7 7 cancel out. 2 2 cancel out. 22 multiplied by 7 will give you 154. Now the lateral surface area of the cube. Cube का होता है 4 into side square. Here A is considered as side. So क्यूब में क्या है, जितनी भी साइड्स हैं वो 7 है। तो आई हैव रिटन 4 into 7 into 7. 7 7 जब 49, 4 into 49 will give you 196. Now you can clearly see that 154 is less than 196. This means cube has larger lateral surface area.